Assalamu alaikum. This is Dr. Huda Abu Tayyim, a consultant orthodontist. In this video, we will fabricate double cantilever spring or Z-spring. It's a component of the removable orthodontic appliance. It's considered as active component. It's used for labial movement of the incisors. The wire used is 0.5 millimeter. The components of the Z-spring: active arm, 2 coils, anterior and posterior, retentive arm, and retentive tag. Let's start. To fabricate the Z-spring, we need 0.5 mm stainless steel wire, bird beak plier, cutter, and a permanent marker. Don't forget to wear your goggles. Let's start step-by-step fabrication. Begin by straightening the wire. Hold the wire between the two beaks of the plier. With your non-dominant hand, pull the wires against the curve multiple times until it's straightening from both sides of the wire. You can check the wire on flat surface before you start. Make the Z-spring on the left maxillary central incisor. We'll start by making small loop on the side of the wire to avoid traumatic injury to the patient. This bend should be mesial to the crown, and then we will mark the mesodistal width of the crown, and this will be the active arm. Hold the wire tightly. Make the first coil above the active arm. Bring the wire parallel to the active arm. We will mark the second coil before the end of the active arm. We will do the second coil before the end of the active arm. The second coil should come from below the active arm. The arms should be parallel to each other in one plane. Mark half the distance after the second coil. Give a 90-degree bend. Then we'll make the retentive arm and the retentive tag. We'll check it on the cast. Finally, we will make the necessary adjustment and adaptation of the spring on the cast. The active arm should be above the cingulum parallel to the incisor edge, and the cantilever should be perpendicular to the crown. This is the end of the Z-spring fabrication. Thank you.